Hey everyone, let's dive right in. Today we're talking about the best AI tools that are seriously set to transform how real estate agents do business by 2026. We're going to break down how this tech can save you a ton of time, help you respond way faster, and honestly, just make running your business a whole lot easier.
So let me ask you something. Does this sound a little too familiar? You're getting bogged down, spending hours and hours every single week trying to write that perfect listing description, design marketing that stands out, and keep up with every single follow-up. It's a huge pain point for pretty much every agent out there.
Well, there's a name for this feeling. We call it the agent's time trap. It's that constant pull of all these small, repetitive tasks that just drain your energy. And more importantly, they take you away from what really moves the needle in your business. Building relationships, showing properties, and actually closing deals. Every minute you spend wrestling with a flyer is a minute you're not with a client.
But what if you could just escape that trap? The whole goal of the tools we're about to talk about is incredibly simple, helping you get way more productive, all without the cost and headache of hiring extra people. This is all about working smarter, not just harder.
So, where do we start? Well, let's tackle the biggest time sinks for most agents, writing and design. We're going to look at how you can go from that dreaded blank page to a perfect client-ready social media post in just a few minutes. Seriously, these tools are about to become your new favorite assistants.
We're breaking this down into a super simple two-step process. First, we're going to master the words, the messaging that actually sells, using ChatGPT. And then, step 2, we'll create the stunning visuals that grab all the attention, using Canva's amazing AI tools.
Okay, let's talk about ChatGPT. Think of it as your on-demand writer who never needs a coffee break. Instead of staring at that blinking cursor, you can just tell it, hey, write me a compelling 150-word description for a luxury 3-bed condo with ocean views, and bam! In seconds, you have a fantastic draft. It can also whip up catchy social media captions or even script out a short video for you. All that creative heavy lifting, it's pretty much done for you.
Now, once you have those perfect words, you need visuals that pop, and that's where Canva AI comes in. It helps you design professional-looking listing posts, generate eye-catching flyers, and build beautiful graphics for Instagram, and you don't need a shred of design experience. You just type what you need, like a just-listed Instagram story for a modern home, and it spits out a bunch of great options. It makes your marketing look so polished so fast.
Okay, so now your content creation is supercharged. Let's move to the next level, putting all those repetitive day-to-day tasks on autopilot. The whole idea here is to have these tools just working for you in the background, so you can be where you need to be, front and center with your clients.
And just like before, we've got a straightforward two-step process. First, we're going to connect all your different apps together using an automation tool like Zapier or Make. And second, we'll look at how you can turn your spoken words directly into text you can actually use with AI transcription.
The impact here is just huge. Picture this, a new lead comes in from Zillow. Before AI, you'd have to stop everything you're doing to manually send an email, then go create a task in your CRM, and then save all their details. With one automated workflow, all of that happens for you instantly. That's a massive time saver, and it means a much faster response for that potential client.
And what about when you're not at your desk? This is where AI transcription becomes your voice-powered assistant. You can literally dictate emails while you're driving between appointments, turn those quick voice notes you made during a home tour into awesome social media content, and capture every single brilliant idea without ever having to type a word. It's a game changer.
Okay, let's move on to our final category, which is where all of this kind of comes together, effortless video marketing. We all know that video is king on social media, right? But man, it can feel so time-consuming to create. So let's look at how AI helps you create really engaging video content faster than you ever thought was possible. These AI video tools are truly a game changer. They help you quickly create those short, punchy videos that are perfect for social media. They can automatically generate captions, which is absolutely crucial for engagement, and can even turn a simple text script into shareable video content in minutes, not hours. So when you combine that instant content creation with powerful automation and effortless video, what do you get? You get a new competitive edge. And this is a really critical point. This is not about replacing you. It's about reinforcing your role as the trusted human expert your clients depend on. It's about letting the tech handle the robotic work so you can focus on the relationships. This really gets to the heart of the matter, and I think this quote just says it all. The goal is not to replace you. The goal is to remove repetitive work so you can focus on leads, clients, and closing deals. So the crucial takeaway here is this.
Using AI gives you the chance to reclaim your most valuable asset, your time. It lets you delegate all those robotic tasks to technology so you can double down on the parts of the job that only a human can do, building trust, negotiating deals, and guiding your clients through one of the biggest decisions of their lives.
Which brings us to our final slide, and a really powerful question to leave you with. Once these tools are working for you, and you suddenly have, say, 5, maybe even 10 extra hours back in your week, what are you going to do with all that time? The possibilities are really up to you.